Hi everyone, this is Saheli. Welcome to a new uh, video. This is a continuation of the list video which I have already made. So in the last video, I have discussed some what is list. So list is nothing but a sequence uh, which is available in Python. So Python has many more sequence data type like list, tuple, set, dictionary, and list is one of them. So here I'll be discussing more features of list. In the previous videos, I have discussed what are the different features, like it is a mutable type and what is the syntax of this. And in this video, I'll be discussing all the important functionalities of list. So before moving forward, just don't forget to like to my videos and subscribe to my channel for such wonderful tutorials, and your comments, as I always say, is highly welcome. I am looking forward to any of your suggestions, any of the videos which you want to see through my channel. I'll be more than happy to share or to help in any of the technologies if you require. So just then move towards this channel. So list is a sequence data type. As I have already discussed, list is a sequence data type like tuple, set, dictionary. In the previous example, like in the previous videos, I have discussed how we can declare a list. Like here in the first line, I have what I have created is I have declared a list. List one is nothing but a list, and here list 2 is also one type of list declaration. Here I have created a list but without using third bracket. Here I have used the first bracket to create a list. So here I have used list constructor. It is nothing but the list constructor. As I have already discussed, or as you some of you may know what is a constructor. Constructor is nothing but a function, a function which is used to initialize object of that type. And constructor cannot have like other functions, it cannot have any other name other than the name of the class in which it belongs to, and it doesn't have any return type. Its sole idea is to initialize the values, like initialize an object. So here in this line, in the line 15, I have created a new list with another method, like with using list constructor, and here I have printed the list. Now here in the 17 line 17, in last video I have shown you what is uh, slicing. So here I have used another method of slicing. So here I have used three numbers as parameters. So what does it means? The first means the index number, the starting index. The second one means the end index, and the last one means the gapping between the same. Like if you run the same, if you run this code, you can see the output is lotus tulip 16. So let's explain the output. So first one, as I have said, first one is the starting index. So list one starting lotus is in index 1. Second one is the end index. So it will go from index 1, this lotus, to 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 20, and the gap will be, the gap between the item will be 2. So first item will be lotus, second item will be tulip after 2 gap, and third item will be 16. Okay, so here, so in the first line I have shown how we can create a list using list constructor, and in the second item I have shown the remaining method of list slicing. Now let's move forward. So in this line 18, what I am doing is that I am comparing two lists. So I can compare, or the programmer can compare two lists in the simple method possible. Like within print itself, I can compare two lists and the output will be true and false. Like here, list 1 is not same with list 2. So the output will is, you can see that the output is, if we print the same, the output is not true. So this will print true if if both are the same. See, it's false is printed as both are not same. Now I have updated one value. As list is a mutable type, that means the values can be updated. So if, in order to update any value, I have to mention the list name, then followed by the index number. Like here, list 1, I am updating value of list 1, item number uh, 4 at index 3. Like it is tulip. So tulip will be updated by sunflower here. Achha. Now, in the next slide, I have shown how if else can be used with list. Let's see here. If sunflower in list 1. So, in the previous case, sunflower was not there, but I have updated tulip with sunflower. Now, see if this is true or false. So, sunflower in list 1. So, I am comparing if the value name in the list name and print value is in the list. So as I have updated sunflower in list 1, so the value is getting printed. And next one is the membership operator. So what is membership? Membership means like here uh, I can say I can print this entire thing within the list print only. So it will print if this value is a member of this list. So it is, if it is true, then it will print true, and if it is false, then it will print false. So here it will print true as Rose is present in list 1. You can see Rose is present in list 1. Now list 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what I am doing it, I am inserting a sublist within a list. So if I want to insert a sublist within a list, I can do that using this syntax. So 3, 4. 3 is the starting index and so 4 is the end index. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 3, 4 means I am updating, actually I am updating 4. So if I print this value, I am inserting a sublist within this list. So I am, if I print this list too, you can see that the value has been updated with 5. The value has been, the value number, value present at index 3 is updated with list 5. Okay. Similarly, I can update one, I can enter one sublist within a list, like list 2, 5. So index number, in the index number for 5th position, I am inserting a sublist with 11, 12 and 13. So let's see, this is the output. So in the index number 5, I am updating, I am inserting a new sublist within a list. So the next uh, uh, and in the print, in the next line, what I am doing is that in the next line I am just repeat, this is known as repetition. So I am repeating two lists. So it will print, that means we can multiply list as we can multiply any number. So list 2 into 2, it will print list 2 two times. So if I run the code, you can see list 2 is getting printed two times. So here some of the features have been discussed. The rest will be discussed in the next videos. Hope you like my video, and please subscribe to my channel and like and comment to my videos. Thank you for your thank you for your cooperation.